Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we explore unconventional and sustainable approaches to home construction. Today, we're delving into the robust and versatile world of cargo container house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. This architectural style repurposes sturdy shipping containers into unique and often surprisingly spacious living environments. This isn't just about alternative housing, it's about embracing a philosophy of resourcefulness, durability, and modern design through the creative reuse of these industrial structures. What is the meaning of cargo container house design? Cargo container house design refers to the architectural and interior design of residential structures primarily constructed from repurposed shipping containers, typically standard ISO, International Organization for Standardization, containers. These designs leverage the inherent structural strength, modularity, and durability of the containers to create functional and often aesthetically striking homes. The cargo container aspect specifically denotes the use of these robust steel boxes as the primary building blocks, while house design underscores the focus on creating comfortable, habitable, and often stylish dwellings. It's about reimagining the potential of these ubiquitous shipping vessels and tailoring them to meet the needs and desires of modern homeowners, often with a strong emphasis on sustainability and unique architectural expression. What are the benefits of choosing cargo container house design? Choosing cargo container house design offers a compelling array of benefits. Firstly, the repurposing of shipping containers is an inherently sustainable practice, reducing waste and the demand for new building materials. Secondly, the robust steel structure of containers provides exceptional durability and resistance to various environmental factors, including storms, earthquakes, and pests. The modular nature of containers allows for flexible design options, enabling the creation of homes of various sizes and configurations by combining multiple units. The streamlined construction process can often result in faster build times and potentially lower construction costs compared to traditional methods. Furthermore, cargo container homes offer a unique and often striking industrial aesthetic, appealing to those seeking unconventional and modern designs. Their inherent portability, while sometimes a factor, allows for potential relocation in certain designs. How to design your cargo container house design? Designing a visually appealing and functional cargo container house requires careful consideration of space planning, structural modifications, and material selection. Start by determining the number and arrangement of containers needed to achieve your desired floor plan. Prioritize natural light and ventilation by incorporating strategically placed windows and doors. Consider the need for insulation to ensure thermal comfort in various climates. Plan for the integration of essential utilities such as plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems, working within the constraints of the container's dimensions. Embrace the inherent industrial aesthetic, or choose to clad the interior and exterior for a more conventional look. Maximize space efficiency with multifunctional furniture and clever storage solutions. Pay attention to the flow between different container units and consider the use of connecting elements to create a cohesive living space. Structural modifications, such as cutting large openings, require careful engineering to maintain the container's integrity. How to build cargo container house design with luxury facade. Achieving a luxurious facade for a cargo container house involves careful planning and the use of high-quality materials to elevate the industrial base. Begin by ensuring the structural integrity of the containers and proper insulation. For the exterior, consider cladding options such as architectural metal panels, zinc, copper, or aluminum, high-end wood siding, cedar, IP, natural stone veneer, or large-format ceramic tiles. Incorporate striking architectural features like expansive glazed openings, cantilevered sections, or a well-designed roofline that integrates seamlessly with the containers. Pay meticulous attention to the detailing around windows and doors, using high-quality frames and hardware. Enhance the curb appeal with professional landscaping, including custom hardscaping and sophisticated outdoor lighting. Consider integrating outdoor living spaces such as decks, balconies, or even a rooftop garden. The key is to seamlessly blend the raw, industrial nature of the containers with high-end finishes and architectural elements that exude luxury and sophistication. Ten Best Cargo Container House Design Ideas. 1. The Minimalist Single Container Studio, a compact and efficient living space ideal for individuals or couples, emphasizing clean lines and functionality. 2. The Two-Container Loft House combines two horizontally placed containers to create a two-story layout with a spacious loft area and ample natural light. 3. The Multi-Container Courtyard Home arranges several containers around a central courtyard, creating a private outdoor living space and maximizing natural light penetration. 4. The Cantilevered Viewpoint Home features containers cantilevered over a slope or foundation to create dramatic architectural interest and maximize views. 5. The Green Roof Container Home incorporates a living roof to enhance insulation, manage stormwater runoff, and create a unique aesthetic. 6. The Industrial Chic Urban Dwelling embraces the raw industrial aesthetic with exposed steel, concrete floors, and minimalist finishes, suitable for urban environments. 7. The Sustainable Off-Grid Container Home, designed for self-sufficiency, incorporating solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and composting systems. 8. The Expandable Modular Container Home features a design that allows for future additions of more containers, adapting to changing needs. 9. The Transportable Tiny Home, a compact container home designed for easy relocation, offering flexibility and minimalist living. 10. The Luxury Clad Container Mansion utilizes multiple containers and high-end cladding materials to create a spacious and luxurious home that disguises its industrial origins. When embarking on a cargo container house design, several key considerations are paramount. Structural modifications, such as cutting large openings for windows and doors or combining multiple containers, require careful engineering to maintain the structural integrity of the units. Insulation is critical to regulate temperature and prevent condensation within the steel containers, especially in varying climates. Proper ventilation is also essential for air quality and moisture control. Planning for the integration of utilities like plumbing, electrical wiring, and HVAC systems requires careful consideration of space constraints and accessibility. Transportation of the containers to the building site and the preparation of a suitable foundation are also crucial logistical aspects. Finally, understanding and adhering to local building codes and zoning regulations regarding container homes is essential for a successful project. At Home Inspiration Studios, we are continually inspired by the ingenuity and sustainability inherent in cargo container house design. By creatively repurposing these robust structures, individuals can achieve unique and often cost-effective housing solutions that challenge traditional building paradigms. Cargo container house design offers a unique and compelling approach to modern housing, blending sustainability with innovative design and robust structure. At Home Inspiration Studios, we aim to showcase the transformative potential of these industrial structures. By embracing the principles of thoughtful planning, structural integrity, and creative design, you can unlock the potential of shipping containers and build a home that is both functional and a testament to resourceful living. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on the latest trends in home design. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best cargo container house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.